Substack isn't just a newsletter, it's 3 income streams in one place. And in this video, I'm going to show you the 3 real ways that people are using it to make real money: paid subscriptions, affiliate links, and digital products. Plus the one feature that most people ignore that actually grows the audience. So let's get into it. And this is perfect if you're already trying to grow your brand online, you make TikTok or YouTube content and you want an owned audience. Or if you have zero audience and you want a simple platform to start. First, why Substack matters right now. If you've been on TikTok, LinkedIn, or anywhere online, you've probably heard that long-form writing is back. Gary Vee has been talking about this. One-person businesses are exploding, and content is the new resume. Think about it. People Google you because they want to know who you are, what you think, what you know. A Substack shows depth, and it builds trust in the way that a 15-second video never will. And here's why it's powerful. Substack is actually 3 things in one. It's a newsletter, content that goes directly to inboxes, not algorithm deciding who sees it. It's a publication, your own website, your home online, a discovery network. They have notes. Basically, it's Twitter for writers, and the algorithm shows your content to new readers. But a lot of people only use one of these layers. They send emails and they wonder why they're not growing. But the people making money, they're using all 3 and then some. So let's talk about the 3 ways to actually make money on Substack. And at the end, I'll give you a 7-day fast start plan so you can launch it this week. Number 1, paid subscriptions. This one is a little obvious. You write free content, some content goes behind a paywall, and people pay monthly or annually to view it. And most Substackers charge between $5 and $10 per month. But here's the key. You're not selling more posts, you're selling transformation. Don't say get access to paid posts. Say something like get the exact framework I use to grow online. Get the templates that took me years to build. Get access to live workshops and Q&As. People don't pay for information, they pay for outcomes. There are 3 models. The paywall model, some free, some paid, premium content behind the wall. The support model, everything is free, pay is optional for people who want to support you. And the community model, free subscribers get content, paid subscribers get community access. And you can mix and match. Some creators do free newsletters, but paid members get live workshops and PDF guides. And that's the paywall plus community hybrid. Here's a pricing tip. Make your monthly tier slightly higher. Make annual more attractive. If your monthly is $7, annual could be $50. That's a discount for them, and you keep them longer. And 2, affiliate links. And this is the one most people miss. You can put affiliate links directly in your Substack articles and notes. Don't get too spammy or salesy. But think about it. If you're in the side hustle space like me, you're already recommending tools: Canva, Printify, Printful, WriteBlogger, TubeBuddy, BookBolt, software, courses, products. So why not get paid when people buy? And here's how I would do it. I would write a post, my favorite side hustle tools. I would include affiliate links for each one. And every time someone clicks and buys, you earn a commission. Or you create a resources page on Substack with all your recommendations. If you add it to your navigation bar, people will click it all the time. You can also add a shop tab with the affiliate links organized by category. Side hustle tools, KDP resources, Etsy essentials, print-on-demand software. A quick note is always disclose some links may be affiliate links. It keeps you compliant and it builds trust. The key is authenticity. Only recommend what you actually use, and the audience will trust you more and more, and trust converts. And number 3, digital products. And you can sell digital products directly through Substack. Ebooks, templates, guides, workbooks, courses, link them in your posts. Add them to your navigation and mention them in your welcome email. For side hustlers, this is perfect. For somebody that's new to cooking, you could do a quick start seasoning guide, how to organize your pans, organizing your kitchen guide, a cooking content batching guide, a filming template for chefs, camera setup for cooking and documenting at home. And here's a simple workflow. Create a digital product that solves a specific problem for your audience. You can price it $10 to $50, and you mention it naturally in your posts. And you don't need a huge audience. 100 subscribers buying a $20 product is $2,000. And unlike paid subscriptions, digital products are one-time purchases. Some people, they don't want a subscription. They want to buy something once and own it. Give them that option. Here's a bonus. Use your welcome email. When someone subscribes to your Substack, they get a welcome email. Most people waste this. Most people just say, thanks for subscribing. Offer something, a free guide, a checklist, a resource list. That will build trust immediately. And in the same email, you can soft sell your paid tier. your digital products, or link your affiliate resources. Now let me show you the growth playbook so you actually have people to sell to. And this is where Notes comes in. Notes is the feature most people ignore. When you post on Notes, the algorithm can show you to thousands of people who have never seen your work before. It's your discovery feed. If you only send emails and you don't use Notes, then nobody will ever find you. Follow the 3-2-1 formula. 3 valuable notes per week, tips, insights, frameworks, 2 engagement posts, questions, polls, discussions, and 1 soft promotion, your paid tier or your product. When someone subscribes to you, Substack shows them other publications. Find similar publications, recommend them first, and they might recommend you back. Some creators report gaining thousands of subscribers through recommendations. The writers earning serious money. 6 figures is possible if you treat it like a business. They build relationships and they collaborate. Guest posts, cross promotions, restacking each other's content, and Substack makes this easy. Now here's your 7-day fast start plan. If you're launching this week, here's exactly what to do. Day 1, set up your publication, your profile photo, bio, publication name, write your about page, and set up your welcome email with a free offer. Then on day 2, write your first pillar post. This represents the best of what you do. Make it valuable and shareable. Day 3 is to create your resources page. Add your affiliate links, add your digital products if you have them, and put it in the navigation bar. Days 4 through 7, post on Notes daily, 1 note per day, tips, questions, insights, and start engaging with other creators. By day 7, you have a live publication, a pillar post, a resources page, making affiliate income, and you're getting discovered through Notes. That's a real business setup in 1 week. But some common mistakes to avoid. Mistake number 1, only sending emails. If you never post on Notes, nobody discovers you. Mistake number 2, being too generic. Subscribe to my newsletter. It just doesn't work. Tell people what they're going to get, what problem you want to solve, what form of entertainment you're providing. And mistake number 3 is waiting to get paid. You can turn on paid subscriptions from day 1. The question isn't, when should I go paid? It's what should I charge for? And mistake number 4, never engaging. Substack is a community. Comment on other creators' notes, reply to your subscribers, and build real relationships. And here's the pattern. Writing is back. Substack is the platform, and there are 3 ways to make money: paid subscribers, affiliate links, and digital products. You don't need to pick just one. Stack them all. Free content brings readers, affiliate links earn while you write, and digital products create one-time revenue. And paid subscriptions build reoccurring income. And that's a Substack money stack. If you want to see the trends driving the shift to long-form writing, including why Gary Vee is betting on it, you can watch this video next. And comment below if you're starting Substack, and let me know what your niche is. I'll see you in the next video.